it's Tom from Tom's Tunes. This boat behind me is getting a new deck and new vinyl flooring. This is a similar project to yours. Everything else is in good shape. The railings and seats are gonna go right back where they were. So a time-saving tip is we took each board off, we laid it on top of a new board, a new sheet of plywood, and we traced all the cutouts, or in the case of the front sheet, we traced the corners for wide radius corners onto the new boards. We labeled them with an arrow pointing forward, board 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that way we can lay them on, put them right back in place, cut out all of our cutouts, we'll lay the flooring on top, then everything will be where it needs to be when we put the railings, the seats, the electrical, all of that stuff back in place when we rebuild the boat on the brand new floor.